Okay, welcome to this lesson on factorization using special algebraic identities. So I hope you kind of remember what are the three unique identities here. One is a plus b bracket square. We went on a very long extensive lesson and essentially it gives us a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? And then for a minus b bracket square, we get a square minus 2ab plus b square. Right? And the last one over here is when you take a plus b times a minus b, you actually get just a square minus b square. Now, with this, we're going to apply them to factorization, and I'll just broadly go through each of them very quickly. The first one is when you have such cases like that. We look at a very, very simple one, x squared plus 6x plus 9. From here, we want to try to make it into the similar form as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So in this case, it will be x squared plus 2. Why 2? Because I'm going to factorize 2 out from 6x, and I'm left with 3x plus 9 squared. So from here, just use in orange to show you this is like my a square plus 2. My a is x and my b is 3. So it's like 2ba, or okay, in this case this is ba, and plus b squared. Right? Can you see the... Sorry, I wrote wrongly. It should be 9 squared. It should be 3 squared over here. Okay, and so from here, once you are able to write it in this form, you can straight away just simply write it as a plus b, which is just x plus 3 bracket square. Okay, we're going to go on to a little bit tougher one, which is something like that, 16y square. Now remember, when we did expansion, when I gave you 4y bracket square, right? This will actually give you 16y square, because you square 4 and you square y square. So we're going to reverse this process, and you need to kind of like square root the coefficient of y square, because when you square root y square, you'll get y. So in this case, your a here will be 4y bracket square. Right? So you know that you need a 2, you need a 4y, and you got to take and 2 times 4y is 8y, so you take 20y divided by 4y, you will get actually 20 divided by 8, so that gives you divided by 4, you will get 5 over 2. Okay, how do I get 5 over 2? Okay, so the thinking process here, just give me a while, let me write it. Thinking process is I'm going to take 20y divided by 2 times 4y. So in the sense, I will essentially leave with equals to 5 over 2. Right? So the next is you take 20, so you try to form the a square plus 2ab plus b square, and look at 25 over 4, you can actually just square root it, and then you will have 5 over 2 square. Compare with the actual one, a square plus 2ab plus b squared. Just make sure that your b's are the same value over here. So looking at here and here, these two must be the same value. And when they are the same value, you essentially can just simply write these as 4y plus 5 over 2 bracket square. Then moving on to 4a squared plus 12ab plus 9b squared, right? Similarly, 4a squared is simply 2a bracket square. Right, from 12ab, I'm going to definitely factorize the 2 out, because the identity has 2. So that leaves me with 6ab. So 6ab but I need a 2a, right? Because my a is a 2a, my square a is a 2a, right? And then from here, 12ab divided by 4a, I will have 3b left. So you need to make sure that these 3 things multiply and gives you 12ab. That's one of them as well. And also, the last step, this will be 9b is simply 3b bracket square. Ensure that they are in the a square plus 2ab plus b square form. And since they are, this is 2a plus 3b bracket square. That's all.